These might be the easiest fancy dessert you'll ever make. Raspberry Cocoa Panna Cotta. Silky, lightly set cream with a subtle cocoa flavor, topped with fresh raspberries and rich dark chocolate. It looks like something from a restaurant, but it just takes some cocoa, heavy cream, and a whole lot of patience. No oven, no complicated techniques. Let's make it happen. First, we bloom the gelatin. Add your gelatin sheets in cold water and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It'll turn soft and spongy. That's exactly what we want. In a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, sugar, the gelatin, a tiny pinch of salt, and the vanilla extract. Now heat gently over medium-low until steaming, not boiling. You don't want bubbles, just gentle heat to get a silky texture. Now for our cocoa twist. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of raw cocoa powder. Make sure to use good quality cocoa. It's subtle, so quality shows. Now for the most important part, taste it. If you want a bit more intensity, add a bit more cocoa, but take it easy. The subtle cocoa flavor here is what elevates this dessert. Go ahead and pour the mixture into glasses or molds. Now put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And yes, you actually have to leave it alone. No poking. Once it's set, it should be just a bit wobbly, not runny or too stiff. So, wobbly. That's perfection right there. Right before serving, top with fresh raspberries, drizzle with melted dark chocolate, and you can even dust with a little cocoa or sprinkle cocoa nips if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, Raspberry Cocoa Panna Cotta. Silky, light, elegant, with just enough cocoa to make it interesting. Time to try it out. This is the type of dessert that makes people think you spend the whole day in the kitchen, when really, the fridge does all the work. Beautiful stuff. If you make this, tag us. I want to see your wobble tests. And tell me in the comments, are you classic vanilla panna cotta or team cocoa twist? Subscribe for more cocoa creations, and I'll see you in the next one.